In this video, we will use Python and VS Code to deploy MySQL cloud database on Avon. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is an intermediate level tutorial. You should have some familiarity with, and we need Python installed and MySQL installed on our computer. After that, we need an Avon account. Avon is a cloud database service, so you can create an account at avon.io. You can just click on this get started for free button up here. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And when you log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, and your dashboard will look essentially like this, except you won't have this instance of MySQL running here like I do. So we need to create that first. So we can do that with create service here at the top right. Just select MySQL from this list of options, and then select the free plan, and then you'll be given all of your accounts with the go ahead and ask, and we can use code actually and my solo SQL, and then we will call on the say we put these in what's left. Go ahead and print equal to connection.cursor, and then let's just go ahead and say cursor.x. Execute, and let's execute our first SQL command, which is to create the database. So we'll say create database if not exists, and then let's give it the database name, and we can go ahead and get rid of this. We don't need those details anymore. And let's go ahead and define this, and then let's fix this password here. Let's go ahead and define this database name. Let's just call it housing data. Okay, so the database will be named housing data. All right, now what else do we need to do? Now let's connect to that database. So we'll say connection.database and just give it the database name. So that'll connect to that database. And now we can start to execute the scripts. So we're going to do that with the use of a function. And so here we'll just name the function. We'll say execute SQL script. And this function is going to take in the connection, and then it's going to take in the path to the file. So let's start with the first one, create table. We'll call that create table script. And then let's copy this down. We're going to create another one for the insert data script. So we'll call this insert data script. And then let's go ahead and define each one of these. So again, this is just going to be the path to the file. So we'll just say create table.sql. Let's copy this down. And then another one for insert data script. And this is insert data, right? Okay, great. Okay, now let's go ahead and create this function. So we'll say execute SQL script. Again, this is taking in a connection and the script path. All right, and again,